So welcome to another vlog, guys. Today I'm here at Chelsea Bay Sugar Factory. So I'm gonna give you the tour of the factory. Before going inside the factory, I'm gonna show you the view of Auckland city from here. Harbour bridge looks beautiful from here. We are just parked our car in the parking and we got welcomed by this incredible view of Auckland city. Where is water, Jua? Where is water? Where is water? Show me the water. Come here. Where is water?
What?
Water. Show me your face. Show me your face. Yeah. And smile. Smile. And high five. High five. Let's go, Joa. We go to the factory tour now. We go to the train. You want to go to the train? There is a lots of activities are here for the kids to enjoy. Jora is excited for the mini train ride. Welcome to Chelsea Bay. This sugar factory offer factory tour, interactive zone where you can bake a cake yourself, baking school and a famous sugar cafe. Chelsea Bay offer two different fully guided tour of the sugar factory, a 60 minutes fully factory tour and 25 minutes mini train tour. The factory open 7 days from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. You can see the Zora going there. You want to play here? What do you want to do? Here's a factory. There is a little playground, guys, here. So if you have kids, they can enjoy here. So you can see in behind me there is a pretty good frame here. If you want to take a photograph, you can have, and you will have a sky tower at your background, you can see. Amy, Amy. Amy, 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 come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Joa, Joa, Amy, Joa, Joa, Joa. Jora and Emmy both played a lot in the playground, and now finally it's time to go inside the factory. You have option to choose and book your factory tour online or on the site. We have decided to go on a mini train tour of factory. There are lots of visitors here than I expected. Full factory tour for adult cost $28 and for the children between 5 to 15 years it cost $15. Children under 5 not allowed on this tour. For mini tour, adult ticket cost $14. Children 2 to 15 year cost $10 and it's free of cost for under 2-year-old. No age restrictions on mini tour. Full factory tour available from Monday to Friday 10 a.m., 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. When mini tours available Monday to Friday 11 a.m. and Saturday to Sunday 10 a.m., 10:30, 11, 12, 12:30, 2 and the last one is 2:30 p.m. So the factory tour starts from here. Let me tell you one thing, guys. The phone, camera and bag not allowed on the train ride, and there are lockers available. You can use them free of cost to keep your stuff in there. We are getting ready to board a train and everyone must need to wear high vest including children. Amy is pretty excited and had her high vest on already. Zora doesn't like to wear it and feel a bit sad. Unfortunately, the cameras are not allowed beyond this point. Amy, Amy. The The guide and train driver will take you around the Chelsea sugar factory side. You will get to see where the sugar ships dock at wharf and the wondrous sugar mountain where the raw sugar is first stored after it arrives by ship. We just completed our mini train tour and it was a great experience. That sugar mountain was awesome. Now the next thing is to explore interactive zone. Let's go to interactive zone now. No food or drink is allowed here, guys. What are you playing, Joe? You playing with the blocks? Truck dock. Building Chelsea. Yeah. Amy gonna do some paintings here. Amy, what do you wanna draw? Do you wanna draw this one? Can you? Can you? What color you have this one? What color is this? Orange. Orange. Do you wanna make the cake? Yeah. Do some paintings. Make your cake. Yeah, like that. Yay. And Sura is playing there, and there you can see the sugar cane, guys. Let's make cake now.
I'm Annabelle, your guide. The temperature is really important. Let's set it to 180 degrees.
Let's set the oven temperature to 180. Yeah. And next.
Now let's get started. We need our utensils. Check everything on the list. Adding the dry ingredients is the most critical part of making a cake. You don't want to add the dry ingredients into the wet mix. Whoa, that's too fast. Mix those dry ingredients carefully, or otherwise it's going to... Oh, it's disaster. What a mess. Oh, no.
Sorry. So I'm making cake here, guys. I will show you when it is finished. It's almost done.
Now set the timer for 45 minutes. Timing is critical to making a cake.
Yeah, there you go. 45 minutes.
While the cake is baking, it's time to clean the bench. Now make sure you put all your ingredients behind you for the next person.
Okay.
You've got to make sure you're always a clean.
So I'll put all the ingredients for the next person here.
The cake is looking magnificent. Well done, you. It's now ready to decorate, which is just so simple. But at home, you might like to leave the hot cake a while before you ice it. So
some chopped sprinkles, yeah, vanilla icing. It's almost ready, guys. My cake is ready now.
Congratulations, you've done a fantastic job. And you know what, baking is such fun. Thank you for sharing it with me. I hope you've enjoyed your day and go home and happy baking.
Thank you. Woohoo! Look at my cake, guys. This one I made it today. Next, we are going to baking school. Booking in advance is required to attend the baking class. The Edmonds Baking School provides opportunities for children to learn how to bake. Children will learn essential techniques, flavor combinations, and decorating skills to elevate their baking ability. Last and exciting place to visit is the famous Sugar Cafe. Booking in advance is recommended because cafe gets very busy and we had to wait for more than an hour to get seated. So that's our food is here, guys. I ordered cappuccino, and that's old school donut, passion fruit slice, and for mom we got a long black, and they look so nice. Wow, you have ordered this cake. This cake is called chocolate lamington, and it's very popular in Sugar Cafe, and the taste was so nice and yummy. These are the souvenirs here. All Chelsea based sugar. That's the box container for the sugar. You can put your sugar there. And $2.90 for the pin. Chelsea. They got bags here. They got some kitchen utensils. Also the bottles here. Drinking bottles, magnets, dairies, and some gift packs, kitchen kit. Daddies. So we have visited the factory, guys. You can also come here and visit it. It's really nice to see here. Also you can see lots of cool things. So thank you for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe.